Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you can quickly customize how it functions. So starting off, we have calls and messages, so you can select calls and messages from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And we have also see all exceptions, which include those two, and notification settings. Then we have restricting notifications as in pop-ups. We have default duration, meaning whenever you tap on the toggle, what it will do. And below that we have a schedule, so you can set up a schedule if you want that. And lastly, we have a turn on option, so this will turn it on, which is equivalent of just tapping on a toggle from here, like so. So that is how you turn it on, and also where you can find the settings for it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.